Hi, I'm Joel, and this is our power front disc brake conversion kit for 1964.5 to 66 Ford Mustangs with a factory manual transmission. Part number FC0001-H405M. And it comes complete with everything needed to install factory style disc brakes to the original drum brake spindles. We keep install easy with only slight modification to the firewall required. Now, let's take a closer look at what's included with this kit. You'll receive the install instructions, a 1-inch bore dual-bowl master cylinder, and a 7-inch power brake booster, as well as the brake lines necessary to route from the new master cylinder to the factory 3-port distribution block, and union which will be installed to your rear brake line with the hardline supply. This kit uses our standard 11-inch cast iron rotors and zinc-plated cast iron 4-piston calipers with stainless steel pistons. You'll also receive the dust shields, mounting brackets, hardware, and all the brake lines needed to complete the install. Search part number FC0001-H405M on our site for additional fitment and application notes. And if you've got a car with an aftermarket cable style clutch, search part number FC0001-H405A. Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Lead Brakes, where you can share photos and videos of your ride with us by using hashtag #ForTheWidePedal.